Hello everyone, welcome back. Today we begin algebra the right way, not memorizing tricks but understanding the balance. So first, what is equation? An equation is a statement that says the left side has same value as the right side. That's what the equation sign truly means. Not the answer is, but these two sides are equal. So when we solve an equation, we are not guessing, we are finding the value that makes both sides balanced. And the most important rule in the algebra is, if I do something in one side, I must do the same thing to other side. So the balance never breaks. For example, if I divide right side by 3, then I must divide the left side by 3 as well. Now let's apply. Simplifying expression. Here's our expression. Now, before solving, we simplify which terms are like terms. All the x terms are like terms, and the constants are like terms. We combine variable terms separately from constant because x terms represent unknown amount groups. Constants are fixed numbers. Now we simplify. Now we combine and the answer will be now we got this after simplifying. Now we want x by itself. So why do we move all x term in one side? Because we want one clean x group from 7x plus 2 is equals to 4x, as shown after simplifying on the slide. We subtract 4x from both sides. That's the subtraction property of equality. Whatever you subtract on one side, you will subtract by other side. So 7x minus 4x plus 2 is equals to 0. That becomes 3x plus 2 is equals to 0. Now one final step, solving for x. Now why do we divide by 3? Because 3 is the coefficient multiplying x. So division is the inverse of multiplication, so divide both sides by 3. Now the final solution is x is equals to, and always quickly check your substitution back later. Now the equation gives one value, but inequality gives a range. What is inequality? Inequality is an equation, but instead of saying equal, it says greater than. Instead of this, it says greater than less than, greater or equal, less or equal. So it doesn't usually give one exact answer, it gives a set of answers. That's why inequality represent a range. Let's solve one question. Minus 3x is smaller or equal to 6. So we divide both sides by minus 3. But here's the special rule. When you divide or multiply an inequality by negative number, you must flip the inequality sign. So now here x is smaller or equal to minus 2. Final answer, x is smaller or equal to minus 2, meaning x can be minus 2 or anything bigger. Now graph. Because it's greater than, we use an open circle at 2. Open circle means 2 is not included. Then we shades to right because the value bigger than 2 goes right. Then the circle will be closed because 2 is, if it were this, then circle would have been closed because it also included 2, but this is not the case.